Hi friends, today we are making masala bhakri using jawar flour. So for that we need 1 cup cabbage, 1 cup carrot, half cup onions, little coriander leaves, 1.5 cup jawar flour, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon ajwain, and a little red chili powder, little turmeric, and a little I'm using pink salt. So let's begin. So first let's add 1 cup cabbage and then 1 cup carrot, half cup finely chopped onions, a little coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon ajwain, a little turmeric, very little green red chili powder, little salt to taste. So just first mix all the vegetables together nicely, that all the spices and salt has coated well. Now add little by little jawar flour. Do not add all the flour at once. Just add little by little. For 1 cup of jawar flour, we can take approximately 3 cups of vegetables, and you can add bottle gourd, you can add cucumber, you can add dill leaves, you can have methi leaves if you have. As I didn't have any leaves, I didn't add any. And you can also add white sesame seeds, which will give you nice flavor and taste. Just keep adding. Keep adding the flour till you feel that you're able to make a soft dough. We have to see if we can mix the flour in this vegetable, which leaves moisture without much adding water. When you feel the dough is holding this shape, that's the right consistency. Add little water, very little water. Prepare the dough to this softness. It should be able to be very soft, like this. The whole dough should be this soft. So let's make the rotis now. Take a cool pan or kadai, whichever you have, then sprinkle little oil all over Press gently. Wet your hands and press gently all over the sides till you feel that you are making a little thick rotis. Then make a hole in the center. Pour some oil, very little oil. Place it on gas. Cook on medium flame. Cover and cook till you see the sides to be little brown in color. Once you see the light brown color, just try to flip it.